na na na, roofing is fun. Na 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 na.
Okay guys, big time on Roofing University. People keep asking me how I bend up my cottage style hip profile lens like that. This is my personalized cut. It's actually called the Steel Shark. What are you gonna do? Use your square. If I can find the right thing, it's broken, jeez. What do you wanna do? You want a 45 from the peak, down there, right there. You want a 45 from the opening, which is right there, 45 that. You're also gonna want a 45 on the rain plate behind your bend line. 3 45s. You're gonna do the same again on this side. Once again, start at your peak or your point, 45 it out, bring it back down to your inside bend right there. And of course, 45 it on your behind your bend mark. So basically what we're going to do, we're going to cut all this out. We're going to fold this over and give it the contour we want. Start out by taking the lowest point off and go underneath. So now you two bolt piece back like so. I'm going to cut right through your cut line. Get back in here, you're going to remove this piece, get out of your way. And you're going to want to cut this off because when you bend it, it's going to show a little bit of the unpainted part. I recommend you take about, even if it's an eighth of an inch off the back. So I'm going to separate this a little bit. One small cut at the edge. Of course, bend her over. Get your blade in there, you can kind of peel her down. Excuse me. There you go. And that's ready for it to be cut. Do the same on the other side. So we go here. Bend her down. Bring her back up. Cut through your cut line again. Take this out. Get here, take it back to your bend line. Just fall right out. These are called will knots. Will not come off. Do the same thing again. Little piece out just to hide the unpainted part from revealing after the bend. Now after this last cut, here we go. I also like on the bend line, this is to crease the double fold. Don't go all the way through, just give it a pinch with your snips on both sides. There you go. You're gonna need a prime grip, big bender. I think the only ones in the game are the prime grip 12-inch. Nice. I use them, they're the only ones that fit to make this bend, so. Just boom, there we go. One last bend here. There you go. There you go. Call that the Steel Shark. If you want, you can draw little eyes on her. No, there, little sharky. Beep, beep. That's how I do her. Turn!
In the hot sun, wasting all my time. Gonna roof my life away.
Follow Roofing University for more cool ideas. It's called the Steel Roofing Shark. Baby shark, doo 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 doo.
Baby, I double G, big time. the